Today we present two wineries from Croatia, the Black Island Winery, Mergavicta with a grape Posip, and the Testament Winery with a grape Babic, and see what they can offer you. Today the escape is to Croatia. Croatia has a coastline of 1,200 kilometers and it's very well known for tourism. However, in the last 20 years they have developed an amazing wine industry, and today's wine are coming from the same winery owner, but they are two different estates, 200 kilometer distance. The first one is of the island of Korčula, and the grape behind is Posip. It's very unknown, it's an indigenous grape, and the first impression is like a mixture of Gewürztraminer and Sauvignon Blanc. On the nose, very aromatic and very fruity. On the palate you have the acidity first, the very lovely fruits, a little bit roses, and this is a wine you would combine easily with some Thai food, some spicy food, some Asian food, and a wine which we can recommend very well. So the second wine is coming also from the Dalmatian region. It's 200 kilometers more north, and the grape is Babic, also an indigenous grape. The recommended temperature for this wine is 16 degrees, so a little bit colder than normally. On the nose, lots of cherries, and same again on the palate, but the very smooth acidity, very present but smooth acidity, and also the tannins are very smooth in the palate, so also this wine very recommended, and this one would be going perfect with a lamb. So Croatia is not only a destination for tourism, but in the meantime also a very hidden champion for cool and lovely wines. Today, cheers!